not a businessman. I'm a businessman.
What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are being men. Okay, obviously not really, but you guys know one of my all-time favorite things in the world is to, you know, switch up my fashion a little bit, specifically shopping in the men's section. Like, I may not have a man, but I honestly own more men's clothes than I think most men. So, I did a full shopping in the men's section video, I did a stealing my boyfriend's closet video, and I even, well, literally did recently do a video where I looked like a man as well. But today, I'm gonna show you guys how to turn all of your boyfriend/men's clothes into fabulous looks for you. Because to be quite honest, clothing has no gender anyway, and it's all just a social construct, but that's beside the point. I'll do a lecture on that someday. But you know, since we're just doing a silly fashion YouTube video, let me show you what I mean. How to turn your man's clothes into clothes for you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Girl power style. This is literally such a mood, but okay. Anyways, to the video. Here we go. Men in Black Hill. Okay, anyways, here's some tips. So here you can see a bunch of men's clothing that I have in my closet. Some of these are new, some of them are old, and some of them from my friends over at Poshmark because they are sponsoring this video. So thanks, Poshmark. I'll tell you more about them in a second, but for now, all right, tips. All right, so the first thing to know about men's clothing is the fit. It's obviously all going to be, well, I mean, if you're 5'3" like me, way too big for you. But honestly, that's great because who doesn't like to feel cute and small? But that is where the styling comes in. Like, this oversized blazer look obviously is not a look. However, if you style it, instead of wearing the sleeves this long and crazy, though, this is definitely a fun look. Squidward vibes, hello. Try just rolling up the sleeves, and instead of buttoning it in the front like this, maybe try and unbutton it. Try pinning it on the side so it's a little tighter. Literally immediately way cuter. Like, look at that. That took actually 2 seconds, and now it's kind of a chic dress. But this is obviously not the finished look. So, here's the next tip. Accessorizing. Jewelry and accessories are the best way to switch up any look, literally. So, even though that was the least flattering angle in the world, hello, we're going to grab a couple of things. So maybe take your favorite necklace, some funky earrings, a cool bag. We'll literally switch up the look completely. Even something just as simple as a belt will change everything. But don't forget the real good stuff. Like shoes. Shoes will literally change anything into a look immediately. Like, honestly though, I mean, add this to anything. Hell yeah, that's gonna be a look right then and there. But, let's see, what should we choose for this one? I think we're gonna go with these. But also, literally random side note, even though it is literally August, tights are a fabulous way to spice it up. Sorry, a little bit of bling bling, but okay. Are you ready for the reveal? It's very blurry. Hello, boom, oh my goodness, we stand. Would never know this was literally men's clothes because we are looking spicy, hot, fierce, and saucy. Like you can see, I turned the blazer into a super cute little dress. The belt makes a huge difference, as does, of course, a fire handbag. Makes you look extra put together. Low-key, the oversized shoulder pads almost make it look like an 80s vibe. The necklace, the tights, the shoes. Hello, daddy. Except, you know, it's me. If you guys want to buy this blazer and any of the other things I'm about to show you guys in the video, you guys can check them out in my Poshmark closet, which if you guys missed the other videos I've done for Poshmark, it's one of my favorite apps. It's an app where you can buy and sell your used clothing. Like you can see my closet right here. I've sold tons and tons and tons of stuff in the past. It is fabulous. It's super easy to use. All you gotta do to sell something is snap a couple pics of it. Then you go ahead and put in the listing details, you know, the color, category, the size, etc. So everyone knows exactly what it is that you're selling. And voila! You can see it is all perfectly listed. Fabulous. And the best part about it is everything is hella discounted. I've literally been selling stuff on Poshmark for years. I sell things all the time, but I also buy things a lot. Like I said, basically all of this is from Poshmark, as are quite a few of my other favorite vintage looks. So, me and Poshmark have curated a bunch of new things to be listed in my closet, so if you guys want to check those out, make sure you download Poshmark below. Everything is literally 50% off the retail price, and not to mention brand name, too. So we got Free People, Calvin Klein, Adidas, all sorts of fun stuff. We even have some groovy mystery items, too. So, happy shopping! Enjoy the closet. You're welcome. Anyway, just because we styled this way first, doesn't mean this is the only way you can do it. Even doing something as simple as throwing it over your shoulders, completely different look. Again. Keep it casual with some sneakers and a fanny pack. Throw on some hoops and some, you know, really wackadoodle sunglasses. I actually bought on Poshmark. Check it out, vintage Versace, so fun. But yeah, casually frickin' fabulous.
This is actually such a look. Oh my god, I feel like I'm ready to like storm Area 51. Hello. Boom, boom, boom. Styling and accessorizing. Very important. Meow, 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 meow. A vibe. And of course, next on the list, my favorite, celebrity copycatting.
Alrighty, so now back to the looks. What we're going to discuss next is celebrity copycatting. This look from Kourtney Kardashian, I literally just straight up copied it. My favorite thing about men's clothes is literally no pants, no problem. So I went ahead and wore no pants just like her because it might have been a man's shirt yesterday, but today it's my dress. I went ahead and threw on a fabulous purse, some nude heels to make my legs look longer and more fabulous. So simple, so casual, and literally so cute. These are so casual and lazy and fabulous. I wear looks like this actually all the time. Like if you ever see me at Trader Joe's, this is probably what I'm wearing. Or a giant fur coat. One of the two. Ah, adorable. What's also fun about these shirts is you can literally tie them up. Like you can see if you just take it like this. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Oh. Ah, she's cute. I mean, these shorts gotta go, but you get the point. Like if you throw that on with some flirty shorts, oh, so freaking cute. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I don't want this to be demonetized. So in addition to stealing celebrity styles, another one of my favorite tips is to steal old runway styles. Like this pic of Miss Tyra Banks in this shook me to my core, so, you know, we're gonna try it with this Adidas tank top. There we go, you can see I just kind of recreated the look. I'm a huge fan of bras peeking out of literally everything. So added some funky earrings, a cool bag, some fabulous shorts, and of course, wickedly ridiculous shoes, and boom, hello, voila. Not quite Tyra Banks status, but if I'm going to a baseball game for my baseball playing husband, I'm ready to go. Or maybe just my kid playing softball. Whoa, go honey, go. Regina George's mom status for the win. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Also, just for the record though, whenever I go to sporting events, this is literally what I wear. Like I said, no pants, no problem. All right, so we all know me trying to act professional is like my least favorite activity in the world, but sometimes the bitch has gotta be ready for business, so here we go. Boom! Okay, so these were actually literally men's trousers. Trousers from H&M that I rolled up the bottom, of course paired with some fabulously fabulous shoes, a blouse, a belt, and some fab earrings, and okay, honey. I mean, we all know this is a look I would literally never wear, but if I worked in a bank, maybe. Now that's a little bit more me. Weirdly enough, men's pants make your booty look poppin', so boom, boom. But anyways, yeah, there we go. Corporate America, Amber style. Thank God I do this and not something else. I'd be fired real quick. By the way, if you really want to be a whole mood, you can just go ahead and wear the full suit too. Honestly, men may look hot in suits, but honestly, we look better. By the way, one of my favorite tips, oversized men's sweaters. I put this one in the dryer too many times, so it is really short. I usually prefer to get an extra large, but this one is now like a regular men's small probably, but very Ariana Grande, very, again, Kourtney Kardashian. Oh my goodness. Hello. Thigh-high boots and an oversized men's sweater is a certified look, always. Yes, it is. Now we just gotta grab a lollipop and a Pete Davidson lookalike. That reminds me I'm hungry. Anyways. Even just a plain oversized men's t-shirt, throw a corset on it, boom. Now it's a dress. Like, OMG, so cute. I need to stop filming on these chairs. I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, anyways, just kidding, we're back up here. Again, swap the accessories. Check it out. Tennis chic. Same shirt, same thing, country club hoe. Fabulous. All while wearing the pool boys shirt. Ooh, ooh. So there you have it, you guys. Those are my ideas on how to turn men's clothes into women's clothes with a little bit. So there you have it, you guys. Those are my ideas of how I turn men's clothes into women's clothes on the daily. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video and of course, you know, got a little something out of it too. And most importantly, remember, fashion should be fun. There's no right or wrong way to do it. There is no reason that you can't wear whatever it is your heart desires, no matter what section you buy it from. Thank you guys for watching, and of course a huge shout out to Poshmark. Thank you for sponsoring the video. If you guys want to download the app and shop all of my looks, you can with the link below. And remember, it's 2019. Be whoever it is you want to be, whatever that means to you. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. From me and my man clothes. XO. So, what do you think, Harry? Do you like it? You look very nice in a white shirt. I
I look very nice in a white shirt. Seems like a match made in heaven to me. You know what they say, a couple that twins together stays together. I don't think they say that, but... meh. Come on, honey. We're going to play tennis. It'll be fun. Not like he could really leave me anyway. He's just a cardboard cutout. But you know, him having no say in anything is just the way I like it.